Hello guys, it's been a while, and today we're gonna point out some little important things that you can maybe miss. So let's go. As far as you know, MORZH has two zip lines, one here and one there. And when you use the upper one, you use this one when you need to put in some air, when you want like for more ventilation. But if you want to enter the tent, you don't need to pull this one all the way down. You need to pull the bottom one all the way up, so when you enter the tent you won't trip and you won't tear down the exit tent. Even if there is no wind, you always need to use pegs, because wind can be surprising. And remember, you're staying in the tent with hot stove, so safety is required. What do you need? You need push the side of a tent all the way up and then use peg and push it to the ground. Remember using all 4 pegs on different sides of the wall, and even using the 5th one, because here is the stove wall and behind this wall there's a stove. So you need the 5th one to pull the wall all the way from the stove, because when wind blows, the stove and wall, they won't touch each other, and this will be perfect. When the wind is strong, always remember to use this one with ropes and pegs for more stability of the tent. Near chimney cut opening there is a special lycra. When you open the valve, you need to stick it up right here, so when the wind blows it won't touch the pipe. Always remember to open up side panels, because they help air to circulate, and that's the way tent heats up faster. Also, side panels create borders for stoves not to fall off from the top of the stove. And if you want to cook, you just pull that side panels back and you can place white pan on the top. If you want to use the stove without water tank, you just simply put segments this way. But if you need to use water tank, you use this little adapter, pull it inside, and then you turn the segment upside down and use it like this. Remember, when installing the stove, you should put it that way so you can easily put wood inside, and the pipe should be vertical and right underneath the chimney cutting. When you're using stones, optimal weight is 30 or 40 kilos, and always remember to put them much closer to the pipe, because this is the hottest spot. And remember, use dry wood, because dry wood produces the most heat. When installing the Altai stove, remember the stove is a little bit smaller and it has a place for a pipe in the different place, so you can place it wherever you like. Just keep it off the walls and keep the entry so you can easily pull wood inside. And how to install the pipe. So here it is, a little turbine which you put on top of the stove. Then use the special chimney right here with this little thingy. So you pull it tight and it stands still. Then you put a big reflector, because this pipe will get too hot. It's for your safety. And then you proceed to install like every other pipes. You don't always need to use the floor, especially when it's hot outside, because the condensate from heat should slide down the walls and fall to the ground. But when it's cold outside, some prefer to use floor. Just put it on top of the snow. And here's what matters: you don't put the stove on top of the floor. That's why our floors are folded. You can fold it right here, and so you're using the stove with floors and it is safe. Any more questions, please write us underneath this video, write us an email, give us a call. We will gladly make some more videos with explanations. Have a good steam, guys.